Hi, this is Engineers Giacomo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at BJ's and they got these lights just now on sale. They used to be $39.99 for weeks. They're down to $19.99. They're pretty good. That's an everyday price, but it's a great price. It's $3.99 for a pound. I think I just bought some Aldi yesterday. I paid like almost $3 for like 6 ounce. So that's great deal. A pound of garlic peeled. It brings it down to $20 a pound. Romaine is $2.49 for 3 heads. Hard to beat. It's a good quality. Roxy. They have the organic, slightly more most of the time. I don't see it today, but anyway, $2.49 for 3 heads romaine. Aldi is very close to this. I think same price almost. But those are most of the time are a little bigger packages. It's one of the best deal on mushroom. $3.79 for 24 ounce. So the equivalent of 3 small packages, who normally are $2 at the store. So you're getting 3 times as much for $3.79. You're actually paying $2.53 a pound. The small one are half a pound. So I'm gonna buy a few of those. Great deal on mushroom. The sliced one are more expensive and they do last less. Another good deal is the portobello. I think is a great deal. They claim they are 16 ounce, but normally it's more than that. 6 large mushroom for $5.29. It's a wonderful price. A pound of baby greens is only $4.49, and you know, a pound of baby greens is a really large quantity once you take it out of the box. Most store package only 6 ounce. Now the arugula is a very good deal. Sometimes it gets bad kind of quick. But $2.79 for 5 ounce. Most store now is $3.99 unless they have a sale. And I like this one. It's a baby one. The spinach is not, I mean, it's not bad deal either. $6.29 for 20 ounce. It's a good brand. This one is like we're looking at until the end of next month is $1.50 off. It's normally $18.79, so around $17 for 3 liter. Hard to beat. It's a good quality. I had it before. Remind me of the Bertolli. And the Walmart one was good, but you cannot get anymore. It's all out of stock all the time. Similar prices, but yeah, so $17, approximately a few cents more, $17.29 for 3 liters of olive oil with a coupon on the app. Those pasta BJ's are a pretty good deal, $3 a pound, so you get enough 3 pounds for $9. And trust me, it's a lot of pasta. Once you cook it, you can make a meal for 4 for 5 times. That's pretty tasty. It's not bad. Spinach cheese ravioli, I didn't try those. They're $9. $3.79 a pound. Mushroom ravioli, a little more money, $4 a pound. They got Italian sausage. They got quite a few. So those pasta have a pretty good deal. That's a great deal. 3 pounds of mozzarella. Actually, I'm sorry, not 3 pounds, but it's $3.80 a pound. So it's like 2 pounds approximately. Lasts normally a long time. It's 4 individual package, pre-sliced. A pound in the store, depending where you go, is like between $5.50 and $7.50 for a pound. That's 2 pounds. So you're looking at almost a 50% saving. That's an everyday price. Well, I saw them as high as $7-8 for a pound in retail stores, and I think Gordon is like $5.50. But it's the little larger log. Anyway, this pre-slice and ready to serve, it lasts a long time. And now let's go to prosciutto. I love prosciutto. It's a little salty, but that's the best deal. That's 1 pound of prosciutto for $10.99. It's a very good quality. It's cryovac package. I buy all the time and I never had a problem. And they have their line of salami, like a pound for $6.29. You think how much you pay in the store for something like that? That's crazy. I don't think about the cheese, but oh yeah, the Parmigiano. I don't see a price on it, but it's like around $8-9 for the Parmigiano slice. Of course, the best deal: 3 pounds of chicken for $4.99. Hard to beat. I mean, if you go in the store, they charge you 5 something, but they're tiny. They're like probably at the most 2 pounds or even less. And $5 on sale. Otherwise, it's like $7 for a rotisserie chicken, $6.99. And they're tiny. The chicken is good here. $2.99, $2.29. It used to be $2. They're a little larger breast, but you're looking at a package $13 for over 3 pounds. Never had a problem. It's pretty tender actually. So I'm buying quite a few of those. The other best price at Walmart used to be $2 also. A little smaller, a little more trim breast. And what's the name? Aldi. Aldi is still at $1.99, but it's never in stock. Every time I go to the store, it's gone because it's the cheapest place to buy chicken, so they sell all of that very quickly. You go there, the shelf is empty very commonly. Yeah, that's a great price on chicken thighs. $2.09 a pound. They are I mean, you can't beat this. I think Aldi is $2.99 or $3 something actually. The Aldi is pretty cheap in Walmart on chicken, but somehow the thighs are more money. They have more flavor, honestly, when you cook with them. Like this whole package here, 2 pound is $7.84. Hard to beat. Then they have chicken are more expensive, like the Perdue brand costs more money. They have the portion control, but they have also the free range one. It was not bad considering some stores charge $6 for cheap chicken breast now. It's only like $4.49 a pound. It's a good deal. Even Aldi is more expensive than this, and forget about it, Publix and all the other stores. It's a regular price, a great price. You get 2 containers of they are 1.89 liter, so 3. I think it's a gallon combined, yeah, for only $6.99 of hand soap. Good quality. Back to the eggs. The price is $4.99 for 2 dozen. With the coupon, I got 30 cents off each dozen, so it's like $2.20 a dozen. It was not bad considering the crazy price. Chicken at the exit told me can have only 2. Was not clearly marked, so I need to go back and get 2 packages more. But still, they limited the quantities of chicken breast because Aldi, Walmart, and BJ's is the only place where people buy chicken breast. Right now it's cheaper than wholesale, it's cheaper than anywhere else, pretty much. That's it, and put this stuff away. Thank you again for watching my channel, and please subscribe. It's a little update on the chicken shopping. I was at Aldi this morning because at BJ's they limit to 2 packages of chicken per person, something brand new, and it was $2 a pound. Aldi is also let me see, it's $1.99. Yeah, it's no, it's $2.29 at BJ's. I'm sorry, $2.29 at BJ's, something like that. Aldi is $1.99 a pound, so that's my over 5 pounds of chicken breast for $10.79. I like it. They look actually a little smaller, and they look better trimmed than BJ's. They don't have as much, so pretty good quality. Remind me of the one from Walmart, who are $2.29 now also. So best place to buy chicken breast right now, genetic chicken breast, is actually Aldi when it's available though, because a lot of time is out of stock due to the low price versus the competitors.